make this super cool ring light. And the best part about it is that it's detachable. You can take it off of your tripod, you can put it right back on, and you can also turn it. So if you're interested, please keep watching. For this, you're gonna need an LED rope light. Make sure that it says daylight on it. You're gonna need aluminum foil, wax paper, some cable ties, a wired wreath, cardboard, a Sharpie to trace the wreath on the cardboard, or a pen, a pencil, and scissors. You're gonna need a drill, a ruler, some nuts and bolts, some washers, and some of these pipe hangers. These are also called Mineral-Lac straps, and you can find them in the electrical section in any hardware store. And you're also gonna need a piece of wood that's 5 inches long and 2 inches wide. Alright, so right now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this an inch wider on the inside and an inch wider on the outside. So basically, right here where you see these little wires, I'm just gonna go an inch down, and I'm just gonna make a little dot. And then I'm gonna go in between those dots, like right in the center here, and I'm gonna make another mark. I'm gonna use a bowl, a big bowl, and I'm just gonna connect the dots. You can just go ahead and mark 4 inches away from the center hole. And I'm just gonna go around in a circle like that, make some dots. So now I'm just gonna connect the dots. Alright, so now I'm gonna take the little piece of wood that I had. I went ahead and I spray painted this. And I'm just gonna trace it. And then we're just gonna cut around the whole thing. And we're gonna do 2 of these. We're gonna do it twice. Alright, so after you cut your first one, I'm gonna do the second one. And I'm just gonna trace around the whole thing. Okay, so you should be left with 2 identical cardboard pieces. And now if you want, you can go ahead and hot glue this together. And now we're just gonna wrap it with aluminum foil, the whole thing. You want the shinier side facing up. You see how this one's not as shiny as the front? We want this facing up. So starting with this end, not the one that hooks up to the power cord, I'm gonna start attaching the light to the wreath with the cable ties. So once you go all the way around, we're gonna move it up to the next row. And I'm gonna continue going all the way around. Alright, so once you're done cutting your cable ties, all you're gonna do is flip this part to the back. And now our light is done. We're gonna attach it to the base, and we're gonna work on making the attachment for the tripod. So now we're just gonna put the piece of wood on the back of the base, and we're just gonna put some tape on it to hold the wood down so that it doesn't move when you're drilling it. Okay, so after you drill the hole, we're gonna attach the pipe hanger to the back. And we're gonna do this one more time. I'm gonna drill another hole right here.
We're keeping them close together. Screwdriver and a flat screwdriver. The flat screwdriver, you can just use it in here to hold the nut, you see? Mm-hmm. And then That way it's easier. You don't have to get fancy tools. And then you just tighten this. You want to make sure that your bolts aren't too long where they stick past the circle where the pipe is going to fit, because then it'll hit. So you want to make sure it's short enough.
So here at the bottom we just drilled a hole so that we can attach the bottom of the light to the base. And then we're going to drill a few more holes. We're going to drill 2 holes on each side and 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. And then we're going to wrap it with the wax paper. Stick it through the hole right here. Alright, so now all we have left is to wrap it with the wax paper. Once you're done wrapping the light with wax paper, go ahead and just duct tape the back for more security. And then this is what we're gonna hook up to the tripod. And then when you want to take it off, you just unscrew these. Whoa. What the hell? Not bad. Alright guys, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments below what other videos you would like me to do. Thanks for watching.